Hey guys, I'm gonna walk you through how to get the census data in this video. Um, so there's this documentation that kind of walks you through it, but I think it's easier if I show you an example. If you go to this data.census.gov, you'll just get a portal like that. And what we want for mapping is this specifically census tract level data. Tract is a geographical unit that's almost like a neighborhood. It should be around 5,000 people or so. Um, so as an example, Cook County, I believe, has about 1,300 census tracts, just to give you an idea. So here, what's important is knowing the variable that you want from the census data. So let's say you want income. Household income is something that you want to download. Unfortunately, you can only do one variable at a time. So this is why it becomes somewhat tedious. But before you download the data, you need to narrow it down a little bit. So on the right-hand side, the left-hand side, here you first start with geography. So you can select census tract level. And once you have that, it's organized because it's such a small geography, organized by state and then by county. So for this particular project, it's actually pretty handy because you can just download Cook County and it will give you all the census tracts in Cook County. And there's a button, there's an option here where you can select all, and you can download them all at once. So that's geography. And survey is a data file that you want, and you don't want just annual census, which is done every 10 years. American Community Survey is the one that's conducted every year. And here, the detailed table is what you want. And topic, this is kind of redundant to the initial selection of income. So let's say we want income and earning. Then year is the latest is to 2019. So once you select all those, so this is all the filters on the left side that shows you what you have selected. And now we can look at the table and see what's most appropriate. And if you scroll down here, we have household income within the last 12 months. Now, what you'll notice is that because the table is so big, it can't give you what it looks like on the right-hand side. You can download it, and what you want is a CSV file, and it's pretty easy to do. It should be pretty quick, and you can see I've already downloaded a few. Now, this is just an ID number that they generate, and what you might want to do is just kind of rename it so that it's recognizable and it should be meaningful for us as far as the file names go. And then it's gonna create a zip file, and then you just decompress here, and then you have household income. And once you open it, once you click on it, the default is in Excel. So this is the total number of households in the census tract, and gives you margin of error, which is something that we don't need, and we can delete that. And I'll show you how to quickly delete that once we organize the file. So all the way to the right is this GeoID is the census tract ID, which is what we're going to use to link it to GIS file. So this is all the census tracts in Cook County. There should be about 1,320. So that's how many census tracts there are in Cook County. So that's essentially how we get the census data at the tract level. Like I said, this is somewhat tedious because we usually do this one variable at a time, but it is also helpful in organizing it for mapping because it's if you do it one at a time, it's a little easier to link later on. So that's what it looks like on the census data file.